In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have your WhatsApp business number connected so you can manage conversations alongside your other channels and keep everything organized in one place. Before we start, make sure a few basics are ready. You'll need a Facebook account you can log into, and you must have admin access to the relevant business inside Meta Business Suite. You'll also need a WhatsApp business number. This can be a new number or one you're already using. Keep the phone with that number nearby with a good signal and notifications enabled because you'll be receiving a verification code during the process. These items are required setup before linking, and having them in place will save you time. Now let's get set up inside Meta Business Suite. Open Meta Business Suite in your browser and go to Settings. In the left-hand navigation, click Settings to open the full settings panel. From there, find the section labeled Accounts, then select WhatsApp Accounts. This is where all WhatsApp connections for your business are managed. Click Add to begin the linking flow. You'll be prompted to enter your WhatsApp business number. Type it carefully, including the correct country code, and double-check that the number can receive messages. If your number is already active on WhatsApp Business, that's fine. Just ensure you have access to the device to complete verification. Next, you'll verify the number. Click Send Code. Meta will send a one-time verification code to your WhatsApp. Pick up your phone, open WhatsApp, and look for the new message containing the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and make sure your internet connection is stable. Occasionally, codes can take a short while to arrive. Once you have the code, copy it carefully. Return to Meta Business Suite, paste or type the code into the verification field, and confirm. If the code is accepted, the connection will complete, and your number will appear under WhatsApp Accounts with a connected status. If the code fails, check for typos, request a fresh code if needed, and try again while staying on the same screen in your browser. That's it for the integration. From here, you can manage your WhatsApp conversations within Meta Business Suite and align your messaging with the rest of your customer communications. Keeping admin access current and ensuring the phone number remains active will help prevent any future disconnects. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your WhatsApp business number linked to Meta Business Suite.